Hi guys, even though it's raining, um we are just coming now to show you what we usually do in our office to protect the bike from being stolen. Um, we've got a couple of bikes stolen actually before, so that's what we do. This is a small bike racks, not sorry, not racks. It's like where we park all the bikes, push bikes, electric bicycles, and everything. What we usually do is we remove the battery from the down tube, right? And that's why it's amazing. Like removable battery works so best. Just use a key to unlock it and remove the battery from here, right? And then remove the front tire, and then remove the front tire from the forks, between the forks. You can also, if you want, just remove the seat post. We haven't removed it because I think here is fairly safer, but you can remove the seat post. And then we use a Ulock with the cable, a very strong cable. This is not ours. We already had it previously. So we use it to which goes through the frame and the tire, and then through this uh, iron, or what, like the solid metal, and that locks it. That's what we do to keep the bike here quite safe.